I am Professor Dr. Sachidanand Prasad, Head of the Department of Chemistry, PNK College, Achua, Paliganj, Patna. Today I want to explain the application of CFT in the determination of magnetic properties and color of complex compound, which is very useful for the students of ISC BSc and also PGA students of chemistry and other persons who want to gain knowledge of chemistry. If useful to you, like, share and subscribe the video. Number 1. Magnetic property of complex compound. Transition metals have a partially filled d orbitals, thus on writing electronic configuration of electrons present in d orbital using Hund's rule, unpaired electrons are present in d orbitals of metal atom or ion. In this case, complex compounds are paramagnetic, but for D10 all electrons are paired and complex compound will be dimagnetic. In presence of a strong ligand field, the electrons may be paired and then the complex compound will be dimagnetic in nature. The point character of complex depends on the formula for magnetic moment mu equal root over n into n plus 2 Bm, equation 1. Where n equal number of unpaired electrons and Bm equal Bohr magneton unit. For D1, D2 and D3 configurations, the value of mu are the same for weak and strong field, and complexes are paramagnetic in nature because the value of mu equal root 3 Bm, root 8 Bm and root 15 Bm respectively, and value of mu is not equal to 0 due to presence of unpaired electrons in complex compound. For example, TiH2O whole 6 3 plus ion is paramagnetic due to presence of one unpaired electron in titanium 3 plus ion. But CONH3 whole 6 3 plus ion is paramagnetic and COCN whole 6 3 minus ion is diamagnetic due to the presence of weak and strong ligand field. In both the complexes, CO3 plus ion have D6 configuration, but paired and unpaired electrons present in CO3 plus ion depends on weak field ligand NH3 and strong field ligand Cn minus ion as given in figure. CONH3 whole 6 3 plus ion complex. Unpaired electrons equal 4, mu equal root over n into n plus 2 Bm equal root over 4 into 4 plus 2 Bm equal root over 2 4 Bm, paramagnetic in nature. COCN whole 6 3 minus ion, no unpaired electrons, mu equal root over n into n plus 2 Bm equal root over 0 into 0 plus 2 Bm, therefore mu equal 0 and this complex is dimagnetic in nature. Point 2. Colors of complex compounds. CFT explains the color of complex compounds on the basis of DD transition. On a splitting of 5 degenerate d orbitals, of transition metal ion, two subsets of orbitals T2g and Eg are obtained. The energy of Eg orbital is higher than T2g orbitals. When electrons of T2g orbital gain energy of radiation from white or visible light, the electron is excited into the higher energy subset Eg. In this process, the color of transition metal complex is complementary color of color absorbed. Complementary color and absorbed color of some complex compounds are as given in table. In this table, complex ion COCN whole 6 3 ion, wavelength of light 310 nm, absorbed color of light violet, color of complex ion pale yellow. In CONH3 whole 6 3 ion, lambda equal 475 nm, absorbed light blue, color of complex ion yellow orange. In COH2O NH3 whole 5 3 ion, lambda equal 500, absorbed color blue green, complex of compound red. In TiH2O whole 6 3 ion, lambda 498 nm, absorbed color blue green, color of complex purple. In CONH3 whole 5 Cl 3 ion, lambda equal 535, absorbed color yellow, color of complex ion violet. In CuH2O whole 4 2 ion, lambda equal 600, absorbed color red, color of complex ion blue. DD transition and color of TiH2O whole 6 3 ion complex. In this complex, Ti3 ion has D1 configuration. In this octahedral complex ion, one electron of orbital occupied. T2g1 configuration, when white light is passed through the complex ion, the electron of T2g orbital get excited to higher set of orbitals Tg by absorbing light equal to delta O. T2g1 Eg0 times to T2g0 Eg1 as given in figure. Ground state configuration. One electron is present in T2g orbital and Eg is vacant. After gain of energy h nu, one electron in Eg subset by excitation of electron from T2g. Figure. Excitation of electron of TiH2O whole 6 3 ion from T2g subset to Eg subset of orbitals by gain of energy h nu from light. Effect of ligand on color of complex. In absence of ligand, CFT does not occur, hence the substance is colorless. For example, CH2O 5H2, CSO4 5H2O is blue, but anhydrous CSO4 is colorless. due to a absence of light ligand H2O. It is also clear that with the change of ratio of ligands, color of complex compound is also changed. For example, 1 NiH2O whole 6 2 plus sign aqua green. Example 2 NiH2O whole 4 En 2 plus sign aqua pale blue. Number 3 NiEn whole 3 2 plus sign aqua violet.